Today we are at the Nene Wetlands, currently out on Dragonfly Lake, releasing approximately 116 water voles into the landscape. This is a project that we've been working on for several years now. It is a project which we've done in collaboration with Stannick Lakes, as well as Natural England Species Recovery Project Fund, which has provided us with the money for this particular project. We've had a whole host of volunteers join us, helping unload the voles, get them into their release pens, and at the moment now we're taking them across to a ring ditch which connects all the way around our site and also connects up to Stannick Lakes too. So we'll be placing the release pens out onto the ditch where they've got surplus habitat, more than enough vegetation to get stuck into, and over the next week we'll gently soft release them into the landscape. That will be when the release pens will be removed and the voles will be let out into the wild, which is exactly what we're wanting to achieve with this project. So water voles were once a very predominant part of our landscape, but have quickly become the fastest declining mammal within the UK. Water voles are struggling to catch up with the lack of connectivity between habitats. Through restoring the landscape and connecting more habitats, we are able to do more of these reintroduction projects, and hopefully we can bring water voles back to the UK in strong populations. So of course, as well as the water vole reintroduction project, we've of course got the beaver reintroduction project, which we are working on currently. Our fence is almost nearing completion. We have a couple of weeks work left on that, and then we'll be ready to release beavers as well. So hopefully within the next year or two we'll have a situation where beavers and water voles will coexist in the same area, which would be absolutely fantastic and a first for this site in a very, very long time.